we can create variables in Swift like var x equals to 3, var y equals to 5.2, etc. Swift compiler can figure out that x is of type int, short for integer, and y is of type double. This is called type inference. Compiler infer type of variable from the initial value assigned to it. Since 3 is integer, the compiler can infer x type as integer. Similarly, 5.2 is a double and compiler can infer y's type as double. We can use type of function to see the type of a variable. We can see x and y has int and double type respectively. Let's also assign a text value hello world to a new variable message. Let's see type of message. We can see its type is string. Thanks to Swift's type inference capability, we can declare variables with initial values without specifying types. We can, however, specify type of variables when we declare them, which is known as explicit type annotations. We will learn about that in the next part.